solo from a super snowy chairlift. I am in the Iwate Prefecture. I'm currently on a trip that goes 5 days. I'm here checking out some of the incredible ski resorts in the prefecture. I'm here with Nat and Julia. Today we are at the Shizukuishi ski resort. It's about half an hour from Morioka City, and yep, wow, it is absolutely puking at the moment. And even though it's 3 in the afternoon, we've still got a little bit of time left for the skiing for today, so we're gonna go check it out and see what this place is all about. After a full morning of travel and a couple of hours of skiing, we were pretty knackered, so we headed in for dinner in an onsen. Stay tuned for tomorrow. So it's 10 minutes to 9, it's super sunny, still snowing, and we're about to jump on a cat. We're gonna head up, see what we can find. I think there's gonna be quite a bit of snow. This is Hiroshi, our guide. He joined everyone on the cat just to make sure we were all sort of skiing in the right spot. The cat was pretty full as well, and it had about 12 people in total squeezed inside. Once we got to the top, we were given the go-ahead and we could just go. So we've done 2 runs so far. They've been fast. We've had heaps of really nice fresh snow. The run's really good as well because it's got like a groom side where the cat actually goes up. Then the other side is just powder, and it's barely been tracked out. There's been a few of us through this morning, but it's still good. We skied back over to the runs. I didn't realize it was connected, but you can jump on another lift which takes you back over to the main ski area. And since we did 3 cat runs in total, with each of them being about 1 kilometer long, it ended up being lunchtime by the time we finished cat skiing. So let's cut straight to lunch. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, that's the shot. Yeah. It's time to go to the onsen. I don't know why that last bit was so muffled, but I think you would have heard me say that it was onsen time. Here I am entering the famous Takakura onsen at Shizukuishi Prince Hotel. We did get permission to bring a camera in, maybe not to this bit, but no one else was in there. So I wouldn't recommend bringing a GoPro into an onsen, but I just had to show the internet, the world, how beautiful it is.